Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastava. Friend, today we are discuss important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: Learning is a first है a process of gradual transformation. Second a process of acquiring new skills and knowledge. And third a slow process. Fourth a process of behavioral change. So learning is a process of acquiring new skills and knowledge. It is a continuous process. Okay, so that second will be correct answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज ब्रिंग्स फर्स्ट टेम्प्रोरी चेंज इन पर्सन नॉलेज सेकंड नो चेंज इन लर्नर नॉलेज थर्ड परमानेंट चेंज इन लर्नर नॉलेज एंड बिहेवियर एंड फोर्थ नन ऑफ द एबव तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड कि लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज ब्रिंग्स परमानेंट चेंज इन लर्नर नॉलेज एंड बिहेवियर थर्ड विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे स्टेट विच इज ट्रू इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. State which is true in context of learning. First, learning is a continuous process. Second, learning result in increase of knowledge. Third, subject proficiency increase due to no learning. And fourth, all of the above. So right answer is state which is true in context of learning to all of the above. The learning is a continuous process. Learning result increase of knowledge. थर्ड सब्जेक्ट प्रोफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज ड्यू टू लर्निंग. तो राइट आंसर इज फोर ऑल ऑफ द एबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम द गिवन फैक्टर विच वन मे नॉट अफेक्टेड द लर्निंग आउटकम्स. फर्स्ट लर्नर्स एप्टीट्यूड एंड इंटरेस्ट. सेकंड टीचर्स पर्सनालिटी एंड कॉम्पिटेंसी. थर्ड healthy environment at home. And fourth peer pressure. So right answer is कि for the given factor which one may not affected the learning outcome, 4 will be right answer peer pressures. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू दी RTE एक्ट according to the RTE Act, a child first should get free compulsory education. Second, should not be subject to physical punishment or mental harassment. Third, should acquire knowledge in the child friendly environment. And four, all of the above. तो राइट आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दी RTE एक्ट अ चाइल्ड शुड गेट दी कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन. राइट है ये भी. सेकंड है शुड नॉट बी सब्जेक्टेड टू फिजिकल पनिशमेंट और मेंटल हरासमेंट, ये भी राइट है. थर्ड है शुड एक्वायर नॉलेज इन अ चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली इन्वायरमेंट, ये भी राइट है. ऑल ऑफ द एबव. राइट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द एबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. मिसेस गीतांजलि इज अ टीचर एट ब्लू बेल्स श्री सेक्शन स्कूल्स गुड़गांव. She teaches academic object to immigrant children in their native language while gradually addition English instruction. What type of teacher is Mrs. Gitanjali? First, bilingual education teacher. Second, special education teacher. Third, a regular classroom teacher. And fourth, a resource education teacher. So right answer is first, Mrs. Gitanjali is a teacher at Blue Bells Senior Secondary School, Gurgaon. She teach academic object to immigrant children in their native language while gradually adding English instruction. What type of teacher is Mrs. Gitanjali? So Mrs. Gitanjali is a bilingual education teacher. Mrs. Gitanjali is a bilingual education teacher. So Mrs. Gitanjali uses both the native as well as target language to teach such children. So she is a bilingual education teacher. Mrs. Gitanjali uses the native as well as target language to teach such children. So she is a bilingual education teacher. Right answer is first. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स LAD is responsible for proficiency in English or any language acquisition device. Full form is language acquisition device is responsible for proficiency in English or any other language. First, Jean Piaget. Second, Kohal. And third, Watson. And fourth, Noam Chomsky. तो right answer is four, Noam Chomsky. आगे देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है escape learning is based on first positive reinforcement. Second, negative reinforcement. Third, delayed reinforcement. And fourth, omission of reinforcement. So for escape learning is based on negative reinforcement. Escape learning is based on negative reinforcement. Right answer is second. Next question देखेंगे, state which is not true in context of learning and acquisition. First, acquisition is a natural process. Second, learning is a continuous process. Third, learning result in subject proficiency. Fourth, acquisition help in cognitive ability. तो राइट आंसर इज कि स्टेट विच इज नॉट ट्रू इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ लर्निंग एंड एक्विजिशन. तो एक्विजिशन हेल्प इन cognitive ability. 4 will be right answer. So cognitive abilities develop much later due to systematic learning. Okay, so right answer is right answer is 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, विच वन ऑफ द थ्योरी बेस्ड ऑन द हैबिट फॉर्मेशन सेज दैट ह्यूमंस और एनी क्रिएचर्स गिव रिस्पॉन्स ड्यू टू स्टिमुलस और ह्यूमंस लर्न ड्यू टू स्टिमुलस. फर्स्ट, क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग. सेकंड, ऑपरेंस कंडीशनिंग. थर्ड, जनरलाइजेशन. एंड फोर्थ, एडॉप्टेशन. तो राइट आंसर इज फर्स्ट, क्लासिकल कंडीशन. क्लासिकल कंडीशन. Classical conditioning theory based on the habit formation says that humans or any creatures give response due to stimulus or humans learn due to stimulus. Okay, classical conditioning. First option, first will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे, which of the following is not correctly. Which of the following is not correctly. तो बी एफ स्किनर लैंग्वेज लर्निंग डिवाइस ये रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन डिवाइस जो है ये नॉम चॉम्स्की का है, तो बी.एफ. स्किनर का नहीं है, ये रॉन्ग है. और सेकंड, पावलोव हैं, तो थ्योरी ऑफ क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग ये विल बी राइट है. पावलोव का थ्योरी ऑफ क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग है. एंड चॉम्स्की जो है थ्योरी ऑफ ऑपरेंट कंडीशनिंग, ये भी रॉन्ग है. तो रॉन्ग ही निगेटिव आंसर पूछा है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड विल बी राइट आंसर. ओके, तो करेक्ट आंसर थर्ड हो जाएगा इसमें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, the learner children suffer from lack of self-esteem when they are first, not allowed to eat what they want. Second, not able to express their feeling. Third, are not allowed to play with friends. And fourth, none of the above. So right answer is second, not able to express their feeling. The learner children suffer from lack of self-esteem when they are not able to express their feelings. Second will be right answer. So children feel hurt or neglect when they are not able to express their feeling. Second will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे, which of the following will help in the best way to learn vocabulary. First, reading. Second, writing. Third, talking and reading. And fourth, watching movie. So right answer is third, talking and reading. Talking and reading. Which of the following will help in the best way to learn vocabulary. So talking and reading. Talking and reading can add to a child vocabulary. Okay, talking and reading add to a child vocabulary. तो right answer is third. Next question देखेंगे, a teacher in class second shows picture of some object and then calls out its names. What she is trying through these activities. First, make the learning interesting for the child. Second, helping learner to acquire new vocabulary. Third, keeping the learner busy. Fourth, teach the correct spelling of the word. The right answer is second, helping learner to acquire new vocabulary. Such practice help children in acquiring new vocabulary. Such practice help children in acquiring new vocabulary. The right answer is second. आगे देखेंगे, अगला क्वेश्चन है, एंड आरती सक्सेना ऑफ इंग्लिश टीचर ऑफ क्लास 5 always tries that her learners should pronounce the words correctly and spell it correctly. Which aspect of vocabulary development she tries to develop in her learners? First, semantics. Second, phonetics. Third, phonetics become graphics. And fourth, graphics. तो राइट आंसर इज कि आरती सक्सेना ऑफ इंग्लिश टीचर्स ऑफ क्लास 5 always tries that her learners should pronounce the word correctly and spell it correctly. Which aspect of vocabulary development she tries to develop in her learners? So phonetics. Right answer is second, phonetics. Phonetics deal with correct pronunciation and spelling of word used in a language. Phonetics deals with the correct pronunciation and spellings of a words used in a language. So right answer is phonetics. Okay, thank you friends.